So Audi has just released all of their 2024 model year changes across the board for their lineup. And in this video, we're going to take a look at their top selling product, the Audi Q5, see exactly what changed and some of the pricing information for 2024. So across most of their models for this year, Audi did make more driver assistance technology standards such as the lane keeping assist systems and the adaptive cruise control. So chances are if you're looking at a 2024 Audi, no matter which trim level you buy, it more than likely is coming with adaptive cruise control and some of the other driver assistance tech. Now first starting out with the color changes for the Q5, there's only one to note, and that is the Arcana White now replaces the Ibis White across the board for the entire trim structure in the Q5 lineup. And that is pretty much it, so I assume all the other colors are carryovers for 2024. Now moving into the feature and packaging changes, like I mentioned at the beginning of this video, Audi did make a lot of the driver assistance tech standard across the board, and that is no different for the Q5. So Audi Active Lane Assist is now standard. We have the heated steering wheel with hands-on detection, standard equipment. And lastly, with the exemption of the Q5 plug-in hybrid, remote start via the myAudi app is now standard equipment no matter which trim level you choose. So nice to see that. Next, we have the Q5 models at the Premium Plus trim levels and higher now include the navigation package standard on the Prestige. That now includes a 6-month trial subscription to Audi Connect PLUS with the Audi App Store, seamlessly integrating music, video, gaming, navigation, parking and charging, productivity, weather, and news apps into the multimedia system for Audi lineup. So good to see that there is more integration for the technology. We have the Q540 has an added available black optic package with the black exterior trim, roof rails on the Premium Plus and Prestige trim levels. All Audi Q5 45 trims receive standard sport front seats and the gray-brown birch natural wood inlays. And lastly, we have an enhanced black optics plus package now available for Q5 45, 55, and Q5 45 Sportback that includes black Audi rings, model badges, black exterior trim, high gloss rear diffuser, front spoiler, air intakes, headliner, perforated leather steering wheel, S badge, red brake calipers, black roof rails on the SUV, and on the Prestige trims, a dark headlight treatment. So cool to see that there's now an enhanced black optics package. I've always think those look really good on most Audi vehicles, especially depending on the paint color you choose. But nice to see they're expanding the black optics package to include more black elements. So that is going to wrap up all the changes for the 2024 Audi Q5. But before we end this video, I do want to cover the pricing for the trim levels, go over all of the standard pricing for the Premium, Premium Plus, as well as the Prestige packages, and see how much it increased over 2023. And it does look like pricing increased across the board, and I don't have the exact pricing as of the filming of this video because I forgot to add it to my notes. But nonetheless, I'll have it down in the description below as well as up on the screen, both the Sportback as well as the standard SUV and all of the trim variants such as the Q5 45, 55, and of course the SQ5, which is the more performance-oriented version. But I would assume based on the past pricing increases that it's somewhere between $1,000 and $3,000 per trim level. But again, I'll have it linked down in the description below and up on the screen so you guys can follow along. So that's pretty much going to do it for the model year changes for the 2024 Audi Q5. As you can see, a few more standard equipment items across the board, a few different packaging changes for the optional equipment, but nonetheless, it's mostly going to be a carryover for 2024. And I think the Audi Q5 being their best-selling SUV is something that they don't want to radically change over time. So it does make sense they extend the generations as long as they can with some minor tweaks and refreshes. But overall, nice to see that the Q5 is getting more standard equipment. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video and found something helpful. If you did, make sure to hit that like button below. It greatly helps out the channel and these videos. Subscribe if you guys are not already subscribed, and make sure to check out other content I have for 2024 model year changes across the Audi lineup and other manufacturers as well, as they will be releasing that information here over the coming weeks. And I'll have more videos just like this here on the channel detailing the exact changes in a short, concise format. So hopefully you guys enjoyed as always, and I hope to see you guys in the next one.